Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn chapter 4 Mangoes Round the Year of class 5. Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu live in Atrayapuram town in Andhra Pradesh. They like to eat unripe mangoes with salt and chili powder. At home, their mother cooks unripe mangoes in different ways. She also makes many kinds of mango pickles. The pickles last through the year until the next mango season. One day, Chinnababu asked his mother to make aam papad with the mangoes. Their father said making Mammidi Tandra needs 4 weeks of hard work. The next day, they went to the market with their father. They bought a mat woven from the leaves of a palm tree, poles of castor tree, string made of coconut husk, some jaggery and sugar. Their mother found a sunny place in the backyard. Both the brothers made a high platform by using the poles. They spread out and tied the mat on the platform. The next day, their father chose the most ripe mangoes. They took out the mango pulp into a large pot. Then they strained the pulp through a fine muslin cloth to remove the fibers from the pulp. Then they crushed the jaggery till there were no lumps. They added the jaggery and sugar in equal amounts to the pulp. They mixed the jaggery and sugar. Their mother spread this pulp into a thin layer over the mat. The thin layer was left to dry in the sun. The next day, they again took out some mango pulp. They added jaggery and sugar into the pulp. Then they spread the pulp over the previous day's layer. For 4 weeks, they added layer after layer until the jelly grew 4 centimeters thick and looked like a golden cake. Golden cake means aam papad. After some days, their mother said, the Mammidi Tandra or aam papad is ready. We can take it out and cut it into pieces. The next day, the mat was brought down from the platform. The Mammidi Tandra was cut into small pieces. The brothers tasted it. It was very tasty. Why was sugar and jaggery mixed into the mango pulp and dried in the sun? Sugar and jaggery acts as preservatives. Drying under sun is also a method of food preservation. By drying under sun, the water droplets gone out. Aam papad remain fresh without spoilage for long time, and in the absence of water, microorganisms are not able to grow. Why did Appa first choose the most ripe mangoes to be used for making the Mammidi Tandra? They chose the most ripe mangoes for making Mammidi Tandra because the most ripe mangoes contain more juice and less fiber. How did the brothers make Mammidi Tandra? Write down the step-by-step process what they did for this. First, they made a platform with the casuarina poles and a mat which was made from the leaves of palm tree. They also brought the strings made of coconut husk to make the poles fixed. Second, they chose the most ripe mangoes and took out the pulp. They strained the pulp with muslin cloth. That means they filtered the mango pulp without any fibers. Then they spread the pulp on the mat and left it to dry in sunlight. Every day they added layer after layer until the jelly grew 4 centimeters thick and looked like a golden cake. After 4 weeks, a thick layer of aam papad was made. Then they cut it into smaller pieces. Thus, aam papad was ready. What things are made in your house from ripe and unripe mangoes? With raw mangoes, we make pickles, mango chutney, and we add them in some curries also. We add the raw mangoes in curries. With the ripe mangoes, we make mango papad, mango jam, and mango milkshake. Make a list of all different types of pickles that you know about. Is there any kind of pickle made in your house? What kind of pickle is it? Who makes it? From whom did they learn to make the pickle? We make pickles with lemon, amla, chili, garlic, mangoes, and with so many other things to preserve them. In our home, our mother makes pickles. In our home, our mother makes pickles and she learned it from grandmother. What all things are needed to make any one type of pickle in your house? How is the pickle made? Find out the recipe and write. The things needed to make a pickle are raw mangoes or lemon, chili powder, mustard powder, salt, oil and methi. First we have to wash the mangoes and then cut the mangoes into small pieces and put salt. Then we have to add all the spices into that small pieces of mangoes. Then we put this mixture of mangoes, salt and spices into a glass jar and pour the oil. Then the pickle mixture gets submerged in oil which prevents it from spoilage. Making of pickles are differ in various parts of our country. How are these things made in your house? Papad, chutney, bhadia and sauce. For making papad, we mix all the ingredients needed into a dough. Make a thin roti with that dough and dry that in sunlight. Then we get papad. To make different kinds of chutneys, we use coriander leaves, pudina, peanuts, coconut or even onions and tomatoes. For making bhadia, we first grind the dal into paste, make small shapes with that and dry that in sunlight. For making sauce, we first make the ripe tomatoes into pulp, then add spices and put that on stove to remove the excess water on the pulp. After some time, we get the really thick sauce. It is a 2-day journey by train from Pune to Kolkata. If you were to go on this trip, what food items would you carry with you? How would you pack them? Make a list of all the packed food. I will carry those items which do not get spoiled easily and pack them in dry containers and packets, which includes biscuits, chips, dry fruits, puri and dry sabji. We first finish puri and sabji because it gets spoiled very fast. Glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles. Why is this done? Because before filling pickles into jars, we have to avoid moisture. If moisture is there, fungus grew on it. So, we have to avoid all droplets of water. We have to remove all droplets of water from the glass jars and bottles before filling them with pickles. What are fungus? Do you remember what happened to the bread in the experiment? Chapter, we did an experiment with a piece of bread or roti by spraying some water on it. Then what happened? It gets spoiled within 2-3 days. Some microorganisms called fungus grew on it. What are microorganisms? They are very small living creatures that we can see only under microscope. Bacteria, fungus, virus, algae, all are microorganisms. To eat mangoes round the year, we make different items like pickle, aam papad, chutney, chikki, etc. List some other food with which we make different things so that we can enjoy it throughout the year. Pickles are made from many things. We made pickles from many things. Many vegetables are sun-dried for later use. Potato chips and banana chips are made so that they can last longer. Peda is made from milk, and there are so many other things which we preserve for longer use. This is all about the chapter Mangoes Round the Year. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.